Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use or how to dropship or dropshipping in WooCommerce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need to have already a WordPress website, and here I'm using this WordPress. Then make sure that you are in the WordPress panel. After that, you will need to have a WooCommerce plugin. And to do so, you can go just to plugins and basically you will need just to go to add plugin and then you will need just to search for the WooCommerce plugin. So here I'm just going to type WooCommerce and then you will find the plugin. So basically after you install and activate the plugin, you will have it here displayed. So it seems that there is a typo maybe, but whatever. So after that you are having your WooCommerce plugin, then we will need to add dropshipping features to WooCommerce. So basically now we will need to add another plugin that would be added to WooCommerce. So I'm just going to add new plugin and I'm just going to type drop shipping. So here I'm just going to tip drop shipping, and then we will need just to find some dropshipping plugins for WooCommerce. So let's just wait for the plugins to show, and from here we will find there is already some AliExpress dropshipping plugin for WooCommerce, and there is this dropshipping and fulfillment for WooCommerce, etc. So you might want to have any extension that you would like. You can find here the reviews and etc. And also, if you don't want to have plugins, you can have extensions that are suitable or in the marketplace of WooCommerce. So from here, I'm just going to type dropshipping in the searching bar, and from here we will find, for example, this dropshipping or the pro add-on for dropshipping, etc. And basically, by having it here, it will be added into your plugins. So let's, for example, have this AliExpress as an example for plugins, and basically, I'm just going to click on install, and then we will need to activate this plugin and we will have it added in the submenu. So I'm just going to click on activate, the page will refresh, and then we will start to find this plugin here. So basically now we can find products, and from here you can be able to start doing dropshipping by in WooCommerce. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.